Papa, oh. Papa, is he done? Yes. He is.
This guy here's going through too, Max.
Yep. Papa, can we watch him?
You can get out and go look through the window if you want to, and then when this car goes in, you can
Papa,
go back.
I want to watch it through the window instead.
Instead?
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
go on over there and get it in the window.
How? I mean, heel. What I was talking about.
Oh, through that. Okay. That's good.
Papa, why is there a lot of people washing?
I don't know. Just a good day to wash, I guess.
How can you move the window up?
Yeah, I better. That guy there's almost through.
Hope the pad don't say for storage. If it does, I'll use the other one. I hope we get a good video if it don't say for storage.
Sure, Joe will go to Walmart with us.
Yeah. Papa, can you buy this car wash or not?
No, that car washes cost a fortune.
Papa, why does it cost fortune?
Those car washes are complicated. They're expensive.
Please don't say it. Please don't say it. Don't say for storage, please. Paul, what are you doing? Paul, is he going to enter
Well,
it?
that car don't even look dirty, does it? Look at it.
It is on the back. How is he going to get a good wash? I hope he got the 10. See, it says double pass, but it does a free pass. We've been to this car wash before. How's he getting your windshield wet? Wait. Please don't say full storage. Hope the soap is jammed. Sorry, I made a. Looking at it, that soap is flying over the place. Yeah, it is still jammed. Oh, is that a neat car wash?
I don't know, Max. Them brushes I got, see them in the back right there?
Yeah.
Them other car washes ain't got down.
Yeah,
Like
the
that.
soap is on the ceiling.
No, they kind of hang down like I'm up in the front there.
Yeah. That's a lot of soap. Paul, why is it shaking? Because it's supposed to shake like that. Pablo, is it clean yet?
He's getting a good wash.
I hope it hurries up. How's he gonna get a good wash job?
Yeah.
Nope, that car's pumped.
Well, them women smoking them cigarettes.
Paul, why?
They like them.
How's he doing a good job?
Yeah, he's getting a good wash.
A good job?
What's she getting?
Paul, why is the car shaking a little bit?
Because them big brushes making it shake.
Paul, how big are those brushes? How big?
They're big enough to cover the whole car.
Pablo, is it almost done washing?
No, he's got a little while to go.
Paul, is that a second pass? Second.
Yeah, that makes the brushes. This makes a second time for him. Now that's 2 full times.
Pablo, here comes the free wash. Pablo, did it have 2 passes for free?
3, I believe.
Paul, why did it have 3 passes?
Making sure it gets it clean. Listen to that thing.
Pablo, what is that sound?
That's them brushes, I guess.
Paul, why did it free pass to make sure to do a better job?
I think it's rinsing it now.
this pad may not say full. When it gets to 18 minutes, it starts getting to full storage, or 20 minutes. Well, I hope it don't get 10 minutes. Look at that. That's where we want to leave. They're making the brush that rinse. But why is the water on the brushes to make sure it rinses it? Just to make sure.
Yeah. He's about done.
Yeah. Done.
Yeah, he's done.
Good old.
No, it's going to rinse it now. And it puts that stuff on to make it shiny.
Pal, is it doing a good job? Pal, is it doing a good job?
It looks like he got a good wash job.
Pal, can we pull in when he gets dried off?
Oh, you got to go put the money in first.
Paul, can we pay the money when he gets pulled on out?
You want to do the money or want me to do it?
I want to do the money.
Okay.
Paul, can I do it when he gets out?
Well, wait till he gets up there and gets
Dried
dried
off.
off, and then you can go put the money in it.
Paul, can you roll the window down?
Yeah.
The tire scrubber ain't full of water yet. I don't know. Maybe they do a better job without it. To make sure. Paul, now I can do it. Paul, can I do it? Paul, can I?
Well, let's let him rinse it. Let the blow on him a little bit, because we just have to sit here.
Paul, can I do it now?
Yeah.
Yeah. A better one.
Better take a credit card with you.
Paul, where is
Right
it?
there.
How's that light?
Yeah.
Oh, it's ready. Oh, it is ready.
All right, calling her back around.
Paul, can we pull in?
Yeah, it says in.
Oh, you have to use the wipers, remember? I'll tell you when to stop. Stop! Let me see. No, it isn't winking this time. I'm glad that. Mitt shaking the car. Doesn't do a stop. I don't know. I think when we go in, I think it does for stop. That's what we do.
Listen to that.
Well, that's a good bang. It ain't done yet. Let me see how cold. It's very cold. I'm glad my cheeks are red. I don't like my cheeks to be red. Well, I like it to be cool, not red. It says spot fleeting. Oh. free pass. Time for the free pass. Man, it has really foamy. That soap looks like police soap. Just is. It's doing a good job. It's shaking the car. Don't just look how it's shaking that machine. It's shaking it. Hope it don't say full storage yet. I'm glad it ain't saying full storage. It's shaking the car. Just is. Nope, it don't do a stop.
You got enough to play 10 times.
Yeah. No car behind us. Yep, a water winch. Look at that. That looks like a water fountain. Pretty good sunny day, man. Yep, go the soap off. Good job using wipers. Bet does better with it. Nope. That truck. Oh, it's time to exit slowly. Time to exit slowly. Oh, don't pull it so fast. There we go. I'm glad you pull it fast. There we go. Now you can get some more time.
Well, they give you a lot of drying time. Look at that, Max.
Yeah, that's a
86
combo.
seconds.
That's a combo. Pablo, pull up more. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. It's pretty good. Sunny day. Finally found that one car. Oh, keep going. How can you keep going? Oh, no more than that. Oh, more, please. No, more. Wow, we got a good job. Yay, Pablo, now you're doing it. Yay. Nope, more than that. Keep going. Right, it dried off good. Nope, that car's popped now. What? No? Yep, he's popped. Yay, got it drive. Oh, can we get out and see?
Yeah, I'm going to dry it off a little bit, and we'll wait and see if anybody else is going to come through.
Maybe. Paul did a good job.
Yeah, I believe this is the best car wash show around, Max.
Yeah. Make up the tire clean.
Yeah, it looks like you got a good job.
A great job. Super great job.
See, you asked me about car leak.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Paul did got it clean. Yep. Tires were clean. That tire looks clean. Yep, that car looks clean. Turn off.